this thing at the mix, whereby you have an option, you have the big names, whether be your Kanyani, your Cleo, your Heavy K, Kombe, you bring up and coming DJs, but a studio life. Which one carries more value for you? Do you want, because the big name doesn't necessarily mean the best mix, but it means, are you more brand conscious or development conscious?
My thoughts on this matter, I need enough 4 weeks.
Yeah.
We can have the first week in a platform to up and coming. Second week, promote our own talent. I think it's high time it is at the platform meeting and to make sure go Brenda the in-house DJs like everyone should know who are responsible for our mixes in the station. So and again make sure go maybe you rotate between the DJs. The following week we can have a guest mix from a well-known DJ. And then the last week, you are one of our own again. Like our music selection. You're in a because remember, it's a very competitive time slot. Garula 10 to 12. And looking at what our competition is doing around Garula, mostly the chart. So Shula Shabu for a chart for us to be considered as a contender. Music selection.
I think I get what you're saying. The two things that come into mind is your show comes after the charts. So the distinction here, what was played for 3 hours and what will be played for another 2 hours must be what makes your show stand out. So if you go house, you can't go dust. Because if you go dust is the chart. Queen of Saturday Radio. This here is the Queen of Saturday Radio.
Min lang tela look teni ma full mangwan ma kam sa tshama ma bona le sa ku yini skona mara mita bona
What I need from you is a dummy clock in the name. Nibzele.
Ufana loko ifika ku yinkho ya tivele yinkho imbita so
so yinkho ya sweswi
It's too long.
Dana
na vangana
like a soft printer cover level.
Wena. Who 6 sentences? A sentence has 6 words.
Still long.
Here's my thing. For it to be appealing, ingayendla little combination ya Changana na Shilungu.
Okay.
I don't know who stapfumelele ka kufika kwini na
Sukandleleni.
Swafambelana na startup. Hatitlonya. 9 to 12, 10 to 12.
Sounds like a pay time.
Kutitlonya kama kuma
Yeah, it sounds like a
on the pin, eh?
Ukutlonya itibi ya.
Fulela utsika.
Freeway. Is it that day?
it's Sunday
Chiseamani.
Sino siwana shesh. No siwana.
angaseketa nchumu ku aychava liya ya ku
But if you come up with a phrase like Fulela Utsika, if it was in the afternoon, will sound okay. But it's an English phrase. It's like you don't touch that dial type of thing. Keep it low.
What's too pumpish, Changan?
Kupomp. Pump it up.
Nyumbu.
10 to 12 Kaira Swilo or Kaira Swilo 10 to 12.
Kararo, you get on to 12.
Kaira Nanzi Jaro.
Hey, Kelowira ngengara stabi.
Stabi.
Hey, Kara Shilo 10 to 12
10 to
with Rocky.
Sweswi, i nkarhi wa youth ki yona eka ya ra swilo.
sweswi i nkarhi wo andlala mavonelo ya wena ekaya ra swilo i kaya ra hina hinkwerhu kaya ra swilo 10 to 12 na Roki Maringa.
Hello muhashi wa hina mbo ka Twitter ina ti followers ta 1200 hi la ku ti cinca ti va 12,000 in the first month
10,000 by June.
by yana ni mahlweni ni tirha mfa mi sungula ku ta ti features